Jeremy, thank you. The Goose Chase just came off its biggest run of the year, the Up and Atom Turkey Trot on Thanksgiving Day, and the holiday fun does not stop there.
Next week, lace up those shoes, deck yourself out in your best Christmas sweater for the Jingle 5K. Here with the details on how to sign up are Karen Hubbs and the man himself, Santa Claus. That's the spirit.
So basically, if you don't run, you're on the naughty list. That's what we're being told.
Absolutely. And if you like the turkey trot, like the record-setting crowd that went out to that, it's the same kind of format, just a lot more festive.
Yes, a lot more festive. We do it in the evening, so it's 7 o'clock at night on Thursday, and we run, portion of the course runs through the lights of downtown Johnson City, of King Commons and Founders Park, and then we light up some of the neighborhoods surrounding it. It's a lot of fun. If you have kids, it's for everybody, so we have a small little, smaller course for the toddlers, and then, of course, the adults and older kids can all do a 5K. Bring your dogs, bring your strollers, bring your jolly selves.
Well, it's great. It's a great opportunity to be active, and with the turkey trot, you hear 5K, and it does sound a little daunting. You think, do I have to run? No. Like you said, you're walking, you may be crawling in some cases. We got the toddler walk. Let's break down those different walks we've got.
Sachet, as Commissioner Brock says, walk, jog, but it's for everybody. And you know, we did a walking challenge last year, which you all were part of, and we've seen a trend of more walkers do our races than actual runners. So, I mean, it's a good mix, about 50-50, but it's a lot of fun, and we just want people, I mean, really our true gift is just throwing a party, and we're throwing a Christmas party, but we want it to be a Hallmark kind of moment. And speaking of which, we were talking earlier, this might be my last show of the year. So, in true year, I brought you all a gift.
We've got little gifts here. Do we open them here?
Absolutely.
Look at these Johnson City ornaments. These are
fantastic.
Perfect. Yeah. I also noticed there are cookies. Now, will these cookies be at the 5K? That's what I want to know.
We will have cookies, but not these particular ones. But we will have cookies. I did bring us some treats.
I'll just take the whole tray.
Yes, but
sorry, John.
These ornaments actually, if you were the top 10, so that was the top 3 male, female overall masters, grandmasters, you get this beautiful ornament that actually is being sold at Visit Johnson City here in downtown, and they are partnering with us on this, so you do get that. And then we have
can we claim that we finished top 10?
Absolutely, absolutely. But I just want to make sure you all had one as a thank you for all the support you've given us throughout the year.
And this is definitely like a great prize to finish the race at. It kind of motivates you a little more to go a little faster.
Absolutely.
If you don't want to go fast, though, you're still walking through all the Christmas trees. You get to kind of soak that in while you go through.
And Santa will be there for photos.
Yeah.
But we do have lots of Christmas food and hot chocolate, and we're going to make s'mores at the end, so it's a lot of fun. It's just not a 5K, it's just not a race. It truly is an experience. It's a small little Disneyland here in Johnson City, Tennessee.
So for people looking to sign up, it's not too late. They can sign up online, and I guess it's like every other race where the price goes up the day out.
Yes, yes. You can register online, and then you can register the day of the race, yes.
And what a great way to make another tradition out of that, just like a lot of families have with the turkey trot. You're kind of hoping that people start catching on with this one as well.
Absolutely. And of course, turkey trot, we turn 20 next year. I'm not sure exactly what we're going to do, but we're going to have a big party. But this is only like the 3rd or 4th year. So we're in our growing stages, but it's a lot of fun. We want this to become a tradition for many Christmas families. So it'll be a lot of fun. Come and join us.
Well, I think it'll be a great tradition. Well, thank you guys so much. And here's all the information. Now, if you want to run or walk or crawl the Jingle 5K, make plans for Thursday, December 12th. Now, the 5K starts at 7 p.m. with a kids race at 6:40. Registration is $35 for adults, $20 for kids. Again, those prices are going to go up on race day. And as we get closer to the race, you can register now at thegooseChase.org. We'll be right back.